In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly face swap with Gemini Nano Banana Pro using a simple prompt. Before we start, you'll need two photos you have the right to use, ideally with clear, front-facing faces and similar lighting. Always get permission from the people in the images and follow local laws and platform policies. Open your web browser and head to google.com. In the search bar, type Google Gemini and press Enter. In the results, click the official Google Gemini link to open the app. If you're prompted to sign in, use your regular account credentials, then continue to the workspace. Inside Gemini, look for the Create Image button. Click it. This switches you into the image generation experience and activates the Nano Banana Pro tools behind the scenes, so you can work with images directly in the chat. Next, click the plus icon to upload your reference images. You'll upload both photos you want to use for the swap. First, the image whose face you want to transfer, and second, the image with the body or scene where that face should appear. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well. For the best results, choose photos with similar angles and make sure faces aren't heavily obstructed. Cropping to keep each subject centered can also help the model align features more accurately. Now it's time to write the prompt. In the message box, type, "Please insert the face of the person from the image 1 into the body of the person of image 2. Keep the wording clear and refer to the images in the order you uploaded them. If you need a more natural blend, you can add short clarifiers, such as keeping original lighting, skin tone, or background consistent. Avoid including any sensitive or personal details in your prompt. When you're ready, click Submit. Gemini will process the request and generate a swapped version. Give it a moment. Processing time can vary with image size and complexity. Once the result appears, review it closely. Check that the face orientation, skin tone, and edges look natural. If something feels off, try refining your prompt with small, concrete adjustments, like matching expression or angle, and submit again. That's it. You've seen how to go from a simple search to a clean face swap using Gemini Nano Banana Pro with one prompt. Use this responsibly. Label edits when sharing, and keep consent at the center of your creative projects.